Alright, so you two, man, we got into a wreck in the truck. As you can see, back there they done had a wreck. And up there they decided to have a wreck. But what happened, man, the 18-wheeler had ran me off the road.
Fuck wrong with you, bitch? Who you talking?
Yeah, so what you're gonna see, but the truck good, like the truck still running and everything. But what you're gonna see how the truck go. I didn't get into a wreck with them back there. It was an 18-wheeler that ran me off the road. Just YFI, they got into a wreck because I'm sure they was looking at me, and I'm sure they was looking at me. That's why they wrecked. But the truck good. We're gonna have to get a wrecker to pull us out, and then I can go back about my day because if it took, you know what I'm saying, no leaks and no nothing. So I think we should be good to get back on the road. Hope so. Okay. I don't have so many bad loads to get wrecked, but everybody trying to take me out, but the body at all. Like, it looks completely normal, y'all. Look at it. Looks completely normal. Don't need to look like it's total. But little do you know, this car is total. I ain't tripping at all, y'all. Y'all see down there, that's, hey, I don't know what's going on with them. Everybody looking at me, man, but hey, I don't do shit but try to come back hard and pop it bigger. So, truck, I ain't gonna lie, I might keep the truck though. I ain't no point, I ain't nothing wrong with that bitch for real. Like I said though, you know how I come. I still try to come back a little harder. There you go, leaning. Alright, so you two, I've been vlogging on TikTok, but y'all can see, man, my fuel level low. That's because the truck is tooted up and booted right now, but the tow truck is here trying to get me up in the air on the truck and off these rails. Alright, y'all, let's see. I think I told y'all the oil pan had busted open, so now we leaking oil. Gonna have to tow the truck. I can't even drive home. Alright, y'all, so man, we're going up. They had to get a crane to get me out. I'm already knowing my bumper gone. Oh, shit. Well, I'm in the air. Oh, shit.
Right there. These son of bitches are horrible. I'm telling you, when we have to deal with the 18-wheelers, it's worse. I know what it's going to do. Come straight down right there, Dad. Right there, and then we're going to move the truck forward. Or, on that line.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this is interesting as hell. I'm also high up in the air, boy. I'm enjoying the ride, though. Shit fun. Imagine if I had a 12-inch lift kit up here, y'all. I'm sitting up here like a 12-inch lift kit, man. It's kind of, hey, mess with this. I'm up even higher, boy. Oh. I just heard something pop. That ain't sound too great. Alright, finna drive, y'all. Hold on. Finna shut traffic down. Oh, shit.
Right in there.
He said he could do a spin move, y'all.
Come on a little bit. Do me a favor, turn your wheel to the left. Alright, hold right there. Go ahead and let off your brake. You go ahead and get out of there. We're going to use the rollback now. Go ahead and get out.
Get up, please.
Alright, hold, put it in park.
Boy, I'm so squatted up in the air. Is this what a squatted truck see? Oh my God. Alright, so T-Top, man, we just got into a wreck. They got into a wreck too. I don't know what happened down there. Into a wreck too, but I don't know what happened to her. But I can tell you what happened to me. It's an 18-wheeler ran me off the road, but the truck good still, man. I'm gonna show y'all the back damage. Hope I don't get hit coming around another. Y'all can see, man, we leaning. The truck still good. As you can see, no bad undercarriage damages and stuff. We're just gonna have to get a wrecker to pull me out, and I can really go by my day. We're gonna have to figure out something out about that 18-wheeler. So you see, man, I got damage. Look, scratched. Of course, a couple cracks, scratched, bumper hanging out. Oh, it stank on the side of the highway. Shit, he need to be coming here. Where you going, shawty? Like I say, I don't know what the fuck she had going. I think she was watching me, saw me on the side, and she ended up running to that bitch. I don't know what she had going. Oh. Hey, y'all, as long as that bread keep one good, though, we good. My rims done got toe up, boy. But, hey, man, y'all know, man, truck gonna bounce back, for real, like we always do. Just make sure you subscribe to the YouTube Inside the Trailer and you follow to stay tuned for the video. Y'all see, man, we kick back making content. I just found some more damage back here, y'all. See right there. There you go, y'all. I think we coming on out of there now. All my fuel just got drained, y'all. My oil pan busted open, so hey, I'm finna get lifted up like a crane. Oh boy. Man, I know that's a short vlog, probably one short vlog I ever uploaded if I don't upload nothing else after this, because like I say, all my other stuff that I got planned will be for the Scat Pack, of course. Like I really had nothing planned for the truck really, but what happened is an 18-wheeler ran me off the road, causing me to run off into the rails. And yeah, but the car just somewhere up there out the city still. Insurance gonna fix it and all that. But I'm finna go over y'all with the Scat Pack, so you can stay tuned for the next couple videos. So man, what we finna do is our wide body flare just came in. It just got delivered today. So what we're gonna do tomorrow, man, we're gonna paint the wide body flare. We're gonna try to paint this quarter pounder to fix this up. And yeah, and sooner or later we're gonna go make the car even louder. So if y'all here for my other type of content, man, you know, of course we still got the Scat that we gotta rebuild. So the truck, if you're here for the truck, I mean, honestly, I'm building with y'all. I don't got much on it. I was building it before my other car got totaled, but now I got this, so I'm more focused on this than the truck. But of course, the truck will come back soon. Only thing wrong with it is the oil pan busted. That's the main thing I need to fix. The other stuff's cosmetic, such as a dent, scratches on the bumper, all that. That's nothing major. It's just the oil pan need to be fixed. But yeah, man, if y'all like this type of, if you're here for this type of content, which I'm sure more of my people are here for this right here, we still got this here that we're gonna be building on. And like I say, the next video will be installing my wide body flare, painting the car, going louder. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned for my other videos, man.